Let's go ahead and check out the last one here. This one is the Sheepdog's Knives C01C 2.9 BS. Right? Could they have probably come up with a different name for it? I would have to say, yeah, probably. But let's see. This one's L-Max. Right? Love to see L-Max. Matte DLC Ultra. Norplex Ultrex micarta handle. That's nice. And of course, a sweet button liner lock. All right, let's see what we're in for. This one is part of their Bladesmith series, so a little bit more of a higher tier product than the ones that we've been looking at, the Vanguard ones. And let's see. We have, of course, all the good stuff here in the box that we've looked at so far. Let's go ahead and get this one out here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, take a look. All right, get the silica gel out of here. All right, first impressions, it looks like they took the Sheepdog and they gave it the good old liner lock, button operated liner lock treatment, just like the utility counterpart that we looked at a second ago. And again, like I said, I've been really loving and enjoying this knife. And this one now has it as well. Again, a more desirable lock than a traditional plunge lock, button lock. So we got an opening hole here. We have the micarta, which kind of feels a little bit on the smoother side. I don't get grippy vibes with it, but we do have these milled sort of ovals in there. Very iconic, right? As you can see, to the Sheepdog handle. And a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible on the other side. And without further ado, right, we got an opening hole. Let's go ahead and get it deployed here. Well, bam, right? We are getting the traditional, right, sort of sheep's foot. So it's called the Sheepdog, right? So sheep's foot blade. I'm giving a nice little wipe here on this matte DLC, which I am a huge fan, by the way. I love DLC, right? Diamond-like coating. And it doesn't have to be shiny all the time. This matte DLC, right, gets the job done. So that's going to be very nice, being scratch resistant and everything. L-Max, right, being a kind of mid-tier, higher tier steel. It is going to be under 3 inches, right? 2.95 inches to be exact. Check your local laws so you know what length blade you can carry. And checking the action, of course, yeah, it's going to be just as good as you would expect. Ball bearings, right, for smooth action. Using the button there, no lock stick of any kind. Spidey flick all day, you know that's going to work. Thumb stud deployment, that's going to be sweet. And probably what takes the cake here are the ergos, right? This little belly right here to the handle, this curvature back here as well. Everything is just really, really good for the ergos department. And I love the finger choil as well, of course. We can get a more controlled cut that way. A little bit of jimping further up on the blade would have been nice, but I think the Sheepdog has never had that. So only this jimping right there. It is going to be a pretty tall flat grind. And it's not the thickest blade out there, but it's significantly, you know, somewhat thicker than other models. But this right here, I gotta tell you, on trash day, right, breaking down cardboard boxes, right, breaking down, you know, just cardboard or rope or whatever other material you got going on, this is the knife to go with. Very comfortable in hand. We can do so many passes through material before you even get, right, any sort of discomfort in your hand of any kind. What's interesting here is, I'm just gonna call it out, it looks like maybe the machine they use, right, kind of went all the way to back here. And it did the same thing on the other side. I'm not sure if other reviewers' models also has that as well. It looks like it has a pretty decent plunge grind. So why we have this sort of smile here, I don't know. That's just something to, you know, just an observation there. And what's interesting about this micarta, it doesn't say it anywhere, but this gives me burlap micarta vibes, right? It has this sort of old couch, old sofa looking sort of threading of strings or whatnot in there. And honestly, me personally, not my favorite. I do know there's many different variants of this one dropping, obviously, this month. So if this one's not your cup of tea, you got so many others to choose from. Now, the elephant in the room is this, right? They send me the traditional sheep's foot blade, but I believe this one's also dropping with a drop point, more drop point looking blade. I'll put some pictures on the screen here so you guys can see what those other variants look like. So that is absolutely new, right? This geometry is already a classic by now on the Sheepdog, but that newer geometry right there, that is what's new for January 2026. So if you're looking to pick up something new and spicy for the new year, probably that new geometry is the one to go with. So absolutely check it out. And of course, I mean, the recipe here is already a cult classic by now. So many people love the Sheepdog. I featured it here in the channel so many times. There's even an XL version of the Sheepdog that's just an absolute behemoth. As a matter of fact, why don't I show instead of tell? All right, check it out. Look at the difference there, right? That is absolutely something. Now, this one is a little bit smaller just because of the under 3-inch cutting path sort of size, but the XL is a whole, you know, megalodon compared to this guy. But yeah, this one's out there and you can absolutely pick it up if you're interested. I'll leave links to this one also. 14C, 28N steel, an absolutely massive, crazy, bonkers blade. And I have an upload on this one here on the channel also if you want to check out more details. And like I said earlier, you have this utility variant also, which is really, really nice. One of my favorite utility knives from Kizer. And you have the flexibility to swap the blade if you want. Also prefer, right, this green micarta here is a little bit more my cup of tea. This is what I was saying earlier, right, that this green micarta would absolutely get a darker color as you use it more and more. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.